Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show.
Today is Monday, August 24th, 2020.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today is National Shooting Star Day.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 96 and a low of 72. Today in history, in 2008, the Summer Olympics in Beijing became the most watched event on TV ever. 70% of the world's population was watching. That's a lot of people.
That's a lot. Now for the joke of the day. Hey Joseph, why does the sun go to college?
I don't know.
Because they have 1,000,000 degrees.
Remember, Falcons soar, which means show integrity,
Own my learning,
attitude matters,
and respect self and others.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Joseph.
And I'm Matthew.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.